So right now, I'm not in my own car. I've got a hire car. Or I thought it was going to be a hire car. I said we needed something with 7 seats. This has got 8. So I thought, oh, there must be 3 in the back. There is. In fact, you can even have an extra row in that. That means I'm not just in a car anymore. I'm in a minivan. Yes, this is, as you can see behind, the Hyundai i800. They have it down as an MPV or minivan. Thing is, when you drive it, it's not like a minivan at all. It's just a van. Obviously, it's a nice van. It has very comfortable seats, but that's about it. If you took all the seats out the back and put one in the middle of the front, then you wouldn't know the difference between this and a transit van. Apart from the windows, of course, you'd have to change the windows out. The windows, which are, the majority are all blacked out, which is quite cool. So let's do a few bits and pieces on this. This one is, I think, a base model. It's a 17 plate, and I believe this has got a 2.5 litre engine according to the specs. And that's what I'm saying, according to the specs. When I got this off the hire company, the person said to me, oh, it's a 2 litre. Then they went, no, actually we think it's 1.8 litre. Actually, they didn't have a clue, which is not great. And I'm sure it is a 2.5 litre. It's taking fuel left, right, centre, even though it's a diesel. So yeah, do any short journeys on it, you can expect the fuel gear to go like that. Spent 15 quid in 2 days on petrol. I've gone nowhere, which is quite frustrating. Right, so I think about everything else. It's not really got any screen, it's not got sat nav in it. You can Bluetooth your phone to this particular base model, and it does have a CD player, and apparently it has an MP3 player, but it can't connect to your phone to be an MP3. It must be an MP3 player, or just a dongle, I would think, because it's got USB port for it. Apart from that, it's not got a lot. In fact, I'll show you it. That is the center console. Got some nicey sort of buttons, but it's not brilliant. And to be honest, I wouldn't buy this if you paid me. Every time you go over a bump, it rattles. It goes over bumps very easily. The driving position is very high, because you're actually higher than most transit vans in this, which is ridiculous. But it's very tinny. The engine makes a lot of noise, and it wouldn't be something I would choose to spend nearly £30,000 on. Yes, that is how much one of these is, nearly 30 grand. You wouldn't get me to pay 30 grand for this heap of shit. Unless you've got a family of 8, there would be no point in having one. Yes, it's got lots of room, and it has. You can get 8 people in here very, very comfortably, and you've got a massive boot that you can still put about 10 suitcases in. But if you've got a family of 6, go and get something smaller. Get something more reasonable, like a Zafira or a Grand Picasso or a Galaxy or whatever the hell there are. Go and get one of them. It's much better value for money. It's got more tech on it, and it looks nicer. This just looks like a tank. It's a nightmare to park. It's a nightmare to do anything with.